Welcome back to Explore Van UK. If you run a van, work on your own vehicle, or just want to save money on diagnostics, you're going to want to watch this one. Today, we're taking a proper look at the Kingbolen S608, a dedicated diagnostic tool that promises pro-level features without the garage price tag. We're going to check it out and plug it into a vehicle and test the features and answer the big question, is it worth it? Check out the links in the video description for the latest pricing and offers, and available for dispatch from the UK, the S608 seems reasonably priced, but let's take a closer look. Inside the box you get the user guide, the Kingbolen S608 unit itself, the OBD2 cable and a USB charging cable. First impressions are it's solid. It's got a decent sized screen, physical buttons as well as a touchscreen, which I actually prefer in a workshop, and it feels tough enough to live in a van or garage rather than a desk drawer. It comes preloaded with over 100 global car brands and over 10,000 vehicle models, and has lifetime free updates, which is simply done by connecting it to Wi-Fi. When you're choosing a diagnostics tool for your van, there are two main types you'll come across. An all-in-one handheld tool like the Kingbolen S608 and Bluetooth adapter tools that pair with your phone app. Here's why an all-in-one unit could be a better choice. All-in-one unit tools work straight out of the box. You plug them in and they're ready. There's no pairing, no app downloads and no connection glitches to worry about. That means faster setup, no phone battery drain and no worrying about your phone's compatibility, storage or keeping software up to date. It's got a dedicated screen and controls. Bluetooth adapters rely on your phone's display and touchscreen, which isn't always ideal when you're outside in bright light, wearing gloves, in dirty workshops or wet outdoors. An all-in-one tool has its own screen, processor and storage, plus real buttons in addition to the touchscreen, so it's much easier to use in real-world conditions. Of course, it's physically bigger than a simple Bluetooth module, which has its pros and its cons. Bluetooth connections can drop, lag or time out. With an all-in-one tool, the hardware talks directly to the vehicle via the cable, which in our experience speeds up the read and makes it more reliable. Holding the information for hundreds of vehicle models uses quite a bit of storage, which can clog up your phone. With an all-in-one unit, you don't need to be selective of what models you download, and you know they're all always there and it'll work great for you if you want to help out others on your trip. When using a Bluetooth model and a phone, we have experienced where the phone has detected an update is available but hasn't actually downloaded it, meaning you have to complete the download before you can carry out a read. If you're in the back of beyond with a poor or even no signal, waiting to diagnose a fault, this can be frustrating, waiting to be able to download the update and install it before you can do any diagnosis. With an all-in-one unit, you know it's going to work and it's your choice when you want to check for updates, simply by connecting it to Wi-Fi. We're going to try out the S608 on our Isuzu D-Max, as it's a modern vehicle with lots of electronic components, including advanced 4x4. But we've struggled in the past to find a tool that works to its full potential with it, so it's a great challenge for the S608. Setup is straightforward. You switch it on and you plug it in, then it's ready to go. A tap of the auto detect button and straight away identifies the vehicle automatically. From here we can run a full system scan which checks those 4 key modules on the truck. You'll see fault codes, descriptions and whether they're current or historic. You can also clear fault codes, view live data, check freeze frame data, and its speed, simplicity and great layout is what makes it stand apart from a Bluetooth phone unit. The S608 also includes a good range of service reset functions, which is ideal if you do your own maintenance. These include oil service reset, electronic parking brake reset, steering angle sensor reset, throttle relearn, battery management system reset, gearbox reset and DPF regen, amongst some others. That alone can save you lots of garage visits and costs. Bidirectional testing means the tool can not only read data from the vehicle, but also send commands to it. This lets you activate components like fuel injectors, cooling fans, relays or solenoids to see if they respond correctly. It helps quickly confirm whether a problem is with a component, its wiring or the control module. And with the Isuzu, we're yet to find a subscription-free unit that allowed this. But we're glad to share that the S608 can, which when it comes to diagnosing any 4x4 system issues will be a godsend, as being able to manually activate the various components that make up this complex system means we know we'll be able to track down issues quickly and easily. Here you can see some of the 4x4 system attributes, and we were able to check the switches correctly telling the control unit what to do, and that the 4x4 indicator light is correctly being told to light up. Now, to demonstrate that we can tell the truck what to do from the S608, we've accessed the RPM control, and as you can hear we can increase and decrease the revs from the unit. So I'd say the S608 is ideal for van owners, tradespeople, DIY mechanics, even small fleet owners. If you're constantly getting warning lights and don't want to guess or pay diagnostic fees every time, this makes a lot of sense. Plus, if you're travelling and want a reliable and self-contained unit that could make the difference to your trip continuing or not, then it could be an amazing asset. So let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, there's no subscription fee, it's easy to use and fast. It's great value for the features, including those bi-directional controls and service resets. It has wide compatibility. It is the only device we've used so far that's been fully functional with the Isuzu D-Max. It's got a robust design that's going to last years. Now there are a couple of cons. It only covers those 4 main system modules. So check out the Elite S6 model if you want to cover all systems, and it's bulkier than a Bluetooth phone unit. But for what you get and for ease of use, for us, that's definitely not a deal breaker and could be an advantage. Overall, the Kingbolen S608 is a very capable diagnostic tool that sits nicely between cheap code readers and expensive professional scanners. It looks good, operates well, and you can be confident it's going to be working years into the future. It's a solid bit of kit you could be very glad you've got with you. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.